Aviasales discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Aviasales and how you can use it. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto Aviasales, and you can also go ahead and click the link in the description below to get some discount codes and promo codes that you can apply onto your bookings. So let's get into it. So here you can see it's very simple. It's just like this, nothing too crazy, and it's just this. And all you gotta do is just add your location over here, and then to where you want to go, and then departure date, and then return, and you have passengers. And you can also fix and book some hotels as well. So for example, let's say we want to go into Turkey, right? You just simply click on Turkey. You can add the Turkey over here. Then you basically add the city you want to go to, right? So over here, let's go to Istanbul, right? And then you just simply put in your departure date or not. You can see right here, this is the price chart. Some date, this is today. In some dates, it's going to be a bit cheaper. You can see right here if it's a week later. Usually, typically, when you go ahead and book a date 1 week earlier, you get a discount. So if we book this over here on the October 7th, then here we can easily come over here and click one of the tickets, right? So we can just simply search the flight over here if we want to return or not. But let's go with direct. And this is the cheapest flight that's available. This is the direct flight. So we're going to go ahead and click on open. And then you have your prices over here. Then all you got to do is just, select one of the pricings over here. You can see, just simply go ahead and buy the ticket. And you're good to go. So I don't want to do anything like that, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So pretty cool. Then you can go ahead and click on trip details and stuff like that. You can go with you can go with restricted, and then just simply add your promo codes over here and you should be good to go. And it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.